In this video, I will introduce you to an AI tool designed for educators, which can assist in the creation of quizzes based on a lesson plan already in a document format. This remarkable AI tool is known as briskteaching.com, and we'll be exploring its capabilities together.
To get started, follow these steps. Open your web browser and conduct a Google search for Brisk Teaching AI. Click on the link that features the Brisk Teaching AI logo. Once you're on the website, follow these instructions. In the upper right corner of the website, locate and click on Add to Chrome. Confirm the installation by clicking Add to Chrome again, and then select Add Extension. The extension file will be downloaded and automatically installed as a Chrome extension. As a first-time user, sign in using your school email. Provide the required details on the website and click Submit. With the AI tool now set up, proceed to create a quiz within Google Docs. Open a Google document and click on the three-dot icon in the upper right corner. Scroll down and select Docs from the options. Create a new document. And if you don't see Brisk ready to use, go to the Extensions tab and click on Brisk. Customize the settings according to your preferences, including the type of quiz, grade level, question types, and the number of items. Lastly, enter the topic for which you want to create a quiz. Once you've made your selections, click on Brisket. Brisk Teaching AI will work its magic and generate a quiz seemingly out of thin air. AI tools like this are truly remarkable and can significantly streamline our work processes. However, it's essential to consider both the advantages and disadvantages of using such AI tools, so take some time to review them. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us for more valuable video tips.